abuse.
Just like you were going to kill the dogs. Animal abuse, Jolene.
Now sell the dogs.
Stick your hand in there.
What, are you jealous you don't get no food, huh?
Break it in half and give them
Caca, caca.
This to the bunnies.
Oh, they scared it away. Big mean monsters.
No, I think that. I really like that. You have it tucked up in there so good. Looks like a one-legged.
Hi there. Bye-bye, black sheep. Hubby Winnie Wolf.
Oh, hey, Jolene. I didn't read the sign here. Says no produce to the rabbits.
It says what?
No food
No
to,
feed.
to the rabbits.
You can feed the rabbits
Oh.
the grain, but you can't feed them the stuff in the green bucket.
Thank
We
you.
never did get grain. Where do we get the
Right
grain?
here.
Oh!